Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. Now we are starting a new sub-series to learn about the button control. So in this video we will display a button with an icon. So we will create two buttons. One is a normal button, another one is a button with the icon. So here you can see this is the normal button, and in the second button we are seeing an icon. So a button is displayed with the icon as well as the button label. So here if you see, first we are creating a normal button. So this is from JavaFx control package. We are creating a button. Then in the previous video we created a flow pan, and from flow pan we retrieved the child element using getChildren. So we have observable list of node, and to that node we are adding this button. So in the flow layout you can see button 1 is added first. So in the left side you are seeing this button. Next, to create a icon with the button, we need to create a image view. To create image view we need a file. So here we are creating the file, and the image is at G drive temp, and this is our PNG file, image file. So we have the image file instance. Next we are creating the image view, and from this file instance we are making use of image file location in the URI format, and we are passing that URI format to the image view, and we construct the image view from this file that contains the bit streams. So once you have image view, you can create a button, and here if you see we are using the second version of the constructor. First we are passing the button caption icon button, that you can see here, icon button. Then we are passing the image view, so that's the image here, and it get loaded on the left side of the label. So here we are adding our second button. So these are all node, right? So first UI node, second UI node. So we are adding our UI node to the flow pan. So now flow pan contains two control 1, control 2, or node 1, node 2, we can say in FX team, and this will be drawn in the UI when the controls are rendered. Alright, now it's a demo time. We will go ahead and create this example. Here you can see this is our button image. Let me open this with notepad, paintbrush. So this is our icon. So you can create this icon with the paintbrush, and if you see here I used the pixel size of 24 cross 24. So this is where we left previously. Let me close both the Java file. Let me copy as we did previously, then paste it on the package. We will name it as a button with the icon. So now we will delete the label with the rotation. So button control is from there are, if you see, there is a AWT button, but here we are importing the button from JavaFx .scene.control.button. So the button is from fx scene control package. So this is our first version of the button, and we are adding it to the flow pan which we already created. So flow pan, here is the flow pan, and the get children, we have observable list of node, and we added our button 1 instance. Next, if you see, we are creating the file from java.io package. We specified the path to our PNG file. Then ImageView is from JavaFX again, JavaFX scene, and the package name, if you see, it's image. From here we are importing the ImageView, and from our image file we are retrieving the URI format in a string form and constructing the ImageView. Then to the button control we are passing the icon as well as ImageView. Then we are adding the second node image button to our flow pan control. So these are all already explained in the previous videos. Now let us rebuild this and run the file. Here you can see this is a normal button, and this one is a button with the image icon. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.